Welcome, my name is Faith Oyebade, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can use Setup System.io to create your own funnels, your sales page, automations with your emails. And one good thing about System.io is it is very good in terms of it has all the things you need incorporated in one software. Your emails, your funnel, your sales page, everything is incorporated in one software, and in as much as you know how to use it, it is very good for your business to scale up easily and put everything in just one suite. Now, today I'll be showing you how you can create a funnel and sales page and automate it with your emails. So right now, let's dive in right away to see how we can do that. So I'll be sharing my screen with you right now. So let's get right away. When you sign into System.io, this is what you would see first. It's going to show you your dashboard. This is my own dashboard. And so the next place I'm going to go is my tag. So let me remove this one because I created it before. So I'm going to be creating a new tag. What is the tag? Tag is where the name of the leads you are getting, what is it attached to? Like you want to create a book, you want to create a funnel for your book. Now you know that these leads are coming because of your book. So that is the tag name. So you create a tag and put the name of the tag, which is my book, which will be attached to your funnel. So let's go to funnel. Funnel is next to your tag. So this is going to be where I'm going to create my funnels. I'm deactivating that because I'm using the free plan. You can only have up to 5 funnels created. So I'm going to create a new one. And so you create a funnel. The name of the funnel is my book, and there is a System.io domain as well that you can use. This is the System.io domain, which is free for you to use, and it is SEO. The SEO engine can also find it, and it is free. But you can also, to make it more professional, you can use your own domain. So in this video, I'm not going to show you how to put your domain, but in another video I can show you. If you want me to do that, you can comment in the video below. So I'll be using my own domain, which I have already attached. And so what is my funnel goal? It is to build an audience. Now I want to build an audience. So this is the reason why I'm creating this funnel. And so you put your currency and save. So after that, you go to the name of the funnel that you created and click on the name, and you have several templates you can use. Now let's go to your left side, where you have squeeze page and thank you page. Now this squeeze page is the form that you're going to fill in their email with your lead magnet. That is what you're giving for free, and they're going to put their emails there. So that is the opt-in page. So now I want to add another step before the thank you page. So you just go to down below, you see create step, and I want to put my book, and the type of step I want to add is a sales page. You can see there are several steps there that you can put. So I want to put a sales page and save. So I want this sales page to be above the thank you page. So the sales page will come and then the thank you page. So you can just move it with your cursor up. So now let's go to the squeeze page and start designing. Now it's going to show us several templates that we can use to design, but for this video I will just be using the blank page to design, and the second one, the sales page, I will be using a template so that you can see that you can do it any way you want. You can choose a template and you can choose a blank template. Now I'm going to be doing it as a the funnel I'm creating is for a book sales. So let's just get right to look for the blank page right away. So there are so many templates available that you can leverage on, which will make your work very seamless and easy and fast. So you don't have to be too bothered about what to do. So you can see several templates are there that you can use. So now I'm going to get to the blank page. This is the blank page. So to preview a template, you can just click on preview, but this is a blank page. There's no need to preview. So you select it. So when you select it, it will bring you this page. So you go to edit page. So you edit the page, you click on it. So it's going to take you to where to edit. You can see that it is blank. So I'm choosing the blank so I can show you how you can start from scratch. So now you first go to section, create a section. So you drop it there like that. So it's going to give you a section, and now we want to have like another section below. I'm going to create another section below. So you put it in the dark thick blue line where it shows, then another section again. So I'm going to use this last section. I'm creating 2 columns in this last section, and in the first section I'm going to put my headline inside, and the second section as well, I'm going to put my headline inside. So now it's getting formed gradually. So what will be the headline for this? So I'll just say launch into greatness. So you can also, I'll show you how you can change the colors. So you can change the color, or you can also be gray if that is what you want to emphasize. You can make it green like that, or you can make it red. So we'll make it red or pink. Good. So I can enlarge it to be bold, be big, and you can also go to here, increase the font size so that it can be very big. Get this book and understand how you can also be great. Then you can make the line height to be wider, so it will be more spacious. So let's leave it at 60 or 65, so it's more spacious. Yeah, so let's just leave this to at 65. Yeah, then this I would make it also change the color to the black we just use, or the red side I will just use, and make it also, sorry about that, make it bold as well. But I'm not good. So you can choose which one you want. Depends on how big you want it to be, and you can also adjust it here as well. So I think it's okay like this for me. Launch into greatness. Get this, you can understand how you can also be great. So now I'm going to be putting the image in this small box, and I'm going to be putting a bullet list in this second box here. So our book is gradually coming to shape. So here in this small box, when you click on it, it's going to tell you to upload your image here. So I already uploaded image. You can upload, select file and upload your image, but I already have an image here. So this is the image I want to insert. So we insert it like that. So I want to reduce the size. So you click on it, it will show you the image size. So I can just reduce it. So you can also make it in the margin, make the margin go up. Like I want it to go up a little. So you can see it's going up. Yeah, I think it's fine like that. So you can also adjust the filters. You want to put shadow. I like the shadow dark with highlight. Yeah, and that's that. So, and that's the book. So let's go to the bullet points. So you can change the words. Launch into that is okay. So you can. So now let's work on this. Let's we can launch into significant, into a significant. Okay, so let's work on this. The font size, let's make it a little bit bold. So 25. Then the what's it called? The line height, let's make it a little bit wider. Let's say 40. So the what's it called? You can change the check button here. Come down here and can always walk around it. You can choose this and you can change the color as well. Maybe let's say make it yellow. yellow. Okay, that is the background color. Okay, let's leave that like that. Okay, the icon color is what I'm looking for. So the text color is black, it's fine. The icon color, and make it green or brown or purple, whichever one. Just make it deep green. Okay, so you can also work on the margin. So let's bring it down a little so that it will be the same size with the book. Then the bottom, I think the bottom is fine. Bottom is fine. Right, let's bring it right a little. Okay, it's going to disalign it. So I think it's fine that way. So the padding, let's increase the padding so that there will be space inside. The padding is for the inside. So the bottom, left and right, I think yeah, it's fine like this. This make this 20, this 20, this 15. Fine that way. So I also want to make it such a way that the font size, I think I want to reduce it so that everything, I think it's okay. Okay, down. Let's leave it at 25. Okay, let's leave it at 25. So I think we are done with that. So this is how it looks. We can still draw it to the left. Let's draw it to the left a little, or to the right. So that's how it looks. What does it mean to be gray? That. Let's draw this to a little bit so it can be aligned on the same side. I think that's fine. That's fine. So another thing is you have to check your mobile. So if you go down below on the left side, you see the mobile. So you have to check the mobile so you can be sure that it's not too big and it is well spacious. So now this needs to go down a little. So it's from the margin. They are going to draw it down a little because so there will be space between the book and that. So there's space. So it's okay like that. So make sure you are saving changes here at the top right hand. So let's go down. So right now we've put the book. So now it's time for us to put where they will fill their details. So we're going to create a pop-up. But first let's put an action button below. Then click here to get your book. So let's work on the action button. Now when they click on this action button, it's going to bring them a pop-up, show a pop-up. So we are going to create the pop-up. So select a pop-up. So we are going to let's create a pop-up now. This is where to create a pop-up. So add pop-up. So it has created a pop-up for us. Enter your details below. So now we have only email. We need to add something else for their name, another line for their name. So you go down, form input form. Under form, go to form input. So under this, I want the name form input. So you go to click on it. It's going to bring you select input type. So first name on their first name there. So enter your details below. Click here so you can change this subtext to something that you want. I want my book now. You can also change the font here, like font type, Google font. You can change it to, let's say, let's choose this. So you can change the font like that and click here. I want the book. And edit the subtext. Let me edit the subtext. If you like the color of the button, you can use it. If you don't want, you can change the color. Yes, I want the book. So you can change the icon color, you can change the background color. Let's save. if, let's see, you can change the color there, but I think I like the blue. Let's leave it there. The white color, the softest color, so that's fine. So you can change the background color for this pop-up as well. Go to edit pop-up, go to color, background color is white, so you can make it like that. That is the color you want, and that's fine. So we are done with the pop-up. So that is your pop-up setting. Save changes. And so let's go back to this. That's this button. When they click on this button, remember, show pop-up. When they click on this button, action that you want them to take, show pop-up that you want to happen when they click on the button, show pop-up, then select pop-up. Remember, we created our pop-up here, and that is pop-up number 1. So let's go back. So it will show them that pop-up. It will come up. So let's edit here, the text here, show pop-up, then margin. Let's make it, I think I want it up a bit. Bottom, no need for a bottom. Left, go left. I think it's fine that way. I think it's fine that way. So you can edit the text here. So you can edit the text here. Click here to get, click here, enter your details below. So click here now. I'm making more bigger, and the line height, I think is okay that way. And the subtext, yes, I want Facebook. And if you don't want the subtext, you can delete it as well. So the font is the same font as the page, since we have edited it in that place, and that's fine. The color is fine. You can change the color if you don't like the color. If you don't like the color, you can change the color to what you want. And that's we are done with the opt-in page. So we can also add a color to the section to make it even more unique. So you go to the section, the whole section, and add the background color that you want. Can put the color that you want, and then you can save your color. When you click on here, it will save that color, so you can use it for you don't have to be finding it difficult to get your color. So if I had put all the sections together in one box, I would have just used all that color at once. But now, because I was putting it separately, I can't use that color, so I have to be putting it separately. But it's all good. It's all about designing as well. I think I even like it. So you can come here and pick another color that you want, like that. Let's make it more like that, So you can just play around it to see what you like. So that's it. We are done with the sales page. So one thing now, so we need to go to these settings. So when you go to the settings, all of links, you need to set this because of the search engine optimization. So now the title is quiz page. You need to change it. Now I want to put out to the name of my book, how to design your life. So that's the name of the book. The keywords, that the author, put your name, hide from search engines, you want click so that it can be seen on search engines. So you save your changes, make sure you save your changes, and we can go out of here. So if you want to see how the page looks, just when you get here, just copy this link that is here and go to a new tab and paste your link and enter. So you can see your page, see the button, the pop-up came up at once, and so you can see your page. Now in the settings of the pop-up, I didn't put a close button, so let's go and edit the page so that in the pop-up settings I can put a close button so that people can view. Now let's go to the edit pop-up settings, open an show close button here, put on, and if you like you can put off if you want. So open up automatically, I think that's fine. So now you can just refresh, so see your page, so you see, so they can see your page and see how launch into greatness, get this book, and how you can also be great. And that's it. They click on this link and the pop-up comes up. So that's, we've designed our opt-in page. So let's go to our sales page right away. So I'll be using a template for the sales page so we don't take too much time in this video. So let's go and search for the template I'll be using for the sales page. So I'll just be using a simple template, which there are several templates you can use, so you can browse through, play with it, and the more you practice, the more you get better and better and better at the designing of anyone you like. There are several ones that you can use, so it's very, very useful. So I have the page I want in mind already, so I'm trying to go there as fast as possible. So you can see there are several templates that System.io offers you for free, and this is the free plan. I'm using the free plan so you can see what you can also do using the free plan. But when you go past the limit, they will send a mail to you or okay, I've seen the one I want. They'll send a mail to you or deactivate it. So make sure you just stick to the rules. So you can preview the template. Let's preview the template. This is how it looks. And so I know the template already. So let's select it and dive right in. So when you select the template, it will take you here. So you go to edit page. Now this is our page. We're going to edit it. And so just like we design here, get this book and understand how you can also be great, and just copy that. And so use the same format. So you can edit this color here, just like we did there. So if I had saved the color, I would just click on here to save the color and I'll just use it right away, but I didn't save it. So get this book and understand how you can also be great. So here we are going to put our video. I have a video done already, so let me get it. Sorry about that. So let's put our video link. Yeah, and that's my video that I made for my free course on affiliate marketing. You can also access it if you want. I'll drop the link in the video description. So when you click on the video, it will bring you here. So I put a direct link and it shows immediately. So I like the way it is. So autoplay off, controls on, so they can play it by themselves. So now you should also be aware of the mobile settings so that you think it's not too big, it's not too small. I think the space here can make the space here, like go to the margin. I want the space down to go down a little, yeah. So there's space there. So let's go back to save changes. Make sure you're saving changes. So let's go back to our video here. Now we have the video done. So let's edit this. Get your right. Hello. So let's see your book right away. I click in the link below. So let me change this color that I want it to be, so you can use your saved color. And that's it. I want this one to be black. I think it's something black. I want this to black. So you can make everything also bold. You can just do it as you want. That's the beauty about it. Can always. So now we get to a button where they would get their book. So now you should have a link where I will take them to where they will get their book, maybe a Paystack link, or there's a link I have here already. So I'm going to copy my link. I'm going to put the link here in this box. It says action when button is clicked, open URL. So to take them to this, so you take them to this URL. So open in the same window, and then I like the button already. The button is fine for me. The margin, I think, is fine. Font size, I think it's fine. I can change the book. Get the book. So the font, you can like the font. I like the font like that. So you can always use whatever you want. And that's it. The settings, go to the settings also. I think it's fine. Search engine optimization, change the book. The book name is but this is because of search engine optimization. Make sure you edit it so that it can also be found on Google and all. So let's go to mobile. Let's see how it looks. Get this book and understand you can also be great. Get your book right away by clicking the link below. Get the book. So now save changes. Let's go back to desktop. So we need to edit the system IO copyright here below. So you can just put your name, the copyright. I think that's all. We have our link embedded here. You have a video, and the page is very simple, so I like it. And one thing is you can also change this background in the section. Just go here, the section, and you can choose any background you want. You can upload an image, maybe one of the image of the book if you like. You can do that if that is what you want, but make sure it suits the yeah, I think it's fine. Then there's still another background at the back here. That is we change the inner background, then the outer background color. So let's change the outer background color. Let's make it black or green or yellow. Yeah, yellow is fine. So that's it. It's fine. Okay. So our sales page is ready. We have it all in. So save changes, go out. So I needed to show you something in the squeeze page we did. I forgot to show you something. But let's go back to the squeeze page, edit page. On the pop-up that we did, I needed to show you that what it needs to be done when they fill in the form. When they click on this link, when they fill in the form, and they click on this link, we need to tell this system where it should take them to. Now, action when button is clicked. So there are actions here. So they should go to the send form. Then when they fill in the form, then go to the next step. Should go to the next step, and the next step is the sales page. So you must put in this so that it's automatically automated in there. So send form, then the pop-up comes on send form, then take them to the next step, which is the sales page, and save changes. So that's it. We are done with the sales page and the opt-in form. So now let's get right away to the last page, which is the thank you page, and voila, we are done. Here also I'm going to be using a template. Just going to pick a simple template to use there. So let's just use this template, the first one. So edit page. So it's already inbuilt, so you can edit the color here. This should be the inner color. Let's make it as we want, or we can use I think this is fine. We can use I think the blue outer background is fine. This is already an image, so if you want to change it, you can put your, let's say I put my book there. because it's an image. So let's put an image. So I put my book. I'll just reduce it, reduce the image size. So small. Yeah. Thank you for purchasing your book. Thank you for purchasing your book. Hooray. Okay, check your inbox to get the login details you will use to attend this one. Okay, check your inbox to get the link to download your e-copy. And you can also you will also receive links and reminders to join the event. Okay, I don't need this. Can delete. Don't need that. So you can also change the color here and make it bigger and bolder, bigger. In the meantime, you can, I think I'll just make this. You can also download it box below. So they can also download the box below. So let's now edit the box. Now you're going to put your book on a Google link that you can put as a URL in the box. So let me just edit what is in the book. Get the book. To get the book, now let's put I think the font size is fine. Get the book, make it 25. You can also, so let's put the link to get the book. Thinking of, let me look for the link to get the book. I don't have any link here for it, but I'll just put something, just a link that I have, so I don't take too long time looking for link. Let me just put my video there as link. So it's just for, but you should have a link to the PDF file that you put there so that you can get the link from there. Yes, I'm putting the links. I'm putting the video link so they can use it. Open a new window, and that. I think that's fine. You've been able to design the thank you page as simple as it can be. So make sure you save changes, and that's fine. Save changes, and you can go out of the page. Now let's check everything that we've done. So I'm not going to input we have our squeeze page, the sales page, and the thank you page. So we go from the squeeze page, we copy the link, so we put it in a new URL. Okay. Let's complete the automation. So I will now show you the page that we designed. So now we go to automations. Automations here, click on workflows. Now you create your workflow. Name of the workflow is my book. Save. Then it's going to bring you this. Then you click on it, my book. And it's going to show you create your first trigger. So what will be the trigger? The first trigger is you click on it and the funnel form subscribe. When they put their details into the form, then you add it to the tag. Funnel form subscribed. Funnel form subscribed. What's the name of the form? You put the name of the form. That is the book, my book. Squeeze page, my book. So make sure you choose the right form. Squeeze page, my book, so that you don't go and put the sales page. So create. So that's the first trigger. Then you can create this button again. Action when the form is subscribed, add them to the tag. So apply a tag. So this is where the tag comes in. What's the name of the tag? My book. So you create that, then apply another action when it is attached to the tag. Then we want them to get an email from them. Subscribe to campaign. The email is called campaign. So what's in it? So we have not created the email yet. So let's go and create the email and come back here. Exit. So let's go and create the email right away. So this is the email. We go to campaigns. Now this was the one I created before. Let me remove it and do a new one. To create, it's going to be blank. Create the name of the email. Thank you for purchasing my book. Description. Welcome to. Okay, let's say we have created the campaign name. So click on it again. It will take you to thank you for purchasing and create. This is where we create an email. What's the subject of your email? Thank you for purchasing my book. And sender name, the sender email. I have an email attached to my I have an email attached to my email already. So that is it. So save to my domain name. So save, so it will take you to where to write your email. So let's just get right out. Hello, first name. So the first name, the code will be here. Just copy this, copy it and put here. So when they put their name, it will automatically put their first name. So make sure you change the color, the font color, so it's not putting their name in red. So first name, thank you for purchasing my book. You are amazing. Click on this link. So you can embed your PDF book in the link. You can change the color of that link so it is unique. So you go here to embed your link. You can let me copy a link to embed there. Let me just copy a link to embed there. So you put your link and that's it. Save. Share to your greatness. So our email is ready. Save the email and save and publish. Now it's going to ask you after which email should it be sent. If you have another email, you can now say this can be sent after this email, but this is our first email, so there's no need choosing which email because we don't even have any email there. So when do you want it to be sent? After how many minutes? After how many hours? I want it to be sent immediately, so activate. So your email is saved and you can exit. So let's go back to our automations and workflow and let's complete the action. Apply the my book tag. Now after applying the my book tag, the action we want to take again is to subscribe to campaign, so to our email. And what's the name of the email? Thank you for purchasing my book, and that's it. So our automation is created. So you exit, then you go back to where the automation is here, and this button here, you activate it so that it is activated immediately, and you see this green button. So our automation is now activated. So now let's test everything we have done from start to finish. So I'll stop sharing the screen now because I want to share another screen to see how it looks. So let's share. Let me share the screen now. So I'm going to put in the funnel link. remember how you click the funnel link and you put it on the window. Now you see our book, Launch into Greatness. Read this book and understand how you can also be great. Click here now. So you click here, it brings a pop-up. You fill in your name. My name is H. Richmond. Sales@gmail.com. Click here. Yes, I want the book. See now automatically takes us to our sales page, and where we are. We click on this link. It takes us to where to buy the book. This is one of my books, so I'm using the link I used for that book, not this book. So they add it to carts. They add the book to carts. So after they buy the book, then it takes them to the thank you page. So since I'm not buying the book, we will not be able to see the thank you page. So after they buy the book, then it takes them to the thank you page, where they would say thank you, and that's that. So now I put my email. Let's go to my inbox. Let's go to my inbox to see if the mail is in my mailbox. So I'm going to be using my phone to check for the mail if it has entered my mailbox. Let's go to my inbox. So I'm checking my email using my phone. Let's see our automation is working. Yeah, it is there. You can see info@vitayobali.org. So I just click on it and it's right there. Thank you for purchasing your book. This is the link to sign it, and we have it right away. And I hope you found this video useful, and I'm sure you're going to use it also. And don't forget to use the link in the description in the video to sign up for System.io. I'm very sure you will like it and you'll find it very, 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 very useful. So thank you for watching this video, and now have a awesome day. Bye. God bless.